Greetings everyone, welcome to episode number 1 of Sam's Science Spotlight. I'm Miss Sam, I'm the children's librarian at the Eastlake Public Library, and today we are going to try an experiment called Pepper Repelling Finger, and it's featured in this book, Science is Magic by Steve Mould. So let's put on our thinking caps, gather the necessary materials, and let's go do some science! Science! Now this experiment doesn't actually require a whole lot of items. The one thing you need to start is a dinner plate. You also need to have some water. I put mine in a measuring cup just because it's easier to pour, but you don't actually have to measure for this experiment. You also need some black pepper, like right off your kitchen table, and that's because it's called the Pepper Repelling Finger. You gotta have some pepper. And finally, you need some dish soap, any old dish soap. So that's all you need for this experiment. If you don't have all of the things you need, or if this video goes too fast for you, it's okay. Just pause it, come back to it later. It's not a big deal. This will be here for you. So on to the next part. Let's follow some directions. Okay, we ready? All right. The first step, according to the book, of this experiment is to fill the plate with water up till you get to this, about this rim here. Do you see that rim? So I'm going to take my water and I'm going to fill my plate up until that rim. There we go. And now step number 2 is to take black pepper, take your black pepper, and sprinkle it all over the water. I like to shake, I like to shake. You can make up a song. Yep. I just shake, 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 shake. And my water's... Whoa! If you like the smell of pepper, this one's for you. If you don't, I'm sorry. I think that's plenty of pepper. I think I may have put too much, but that's okay. Let's see what happens. So let's see. Step number 3 says to tell a friend to put your finger in there. I'm going to pretend I'm my friend. Nothing's happening. Is anything happening for you? Nothing's happening. I'm just getting a wet finger with little specks of pepper. Look. Okay, well, let's see. Ooh, step number 4. This is why the book is called Science is Magic, because this is a way to fool your friend. Step number 4 is to secretly put a little bit of dish soap on your finger, so that when your friend puts his finger in and discovers nothing happens, then you put a teeny little bit of dish soap on your finger, like that. And then say, oh really? Nothing happens? Huh, let's see what happens here. Did you see that? Oh my goodness. All of the pepper went away from my finger. I wonder why that is. Did it happen the same way for you? So what's happening in this experiment? Well, water has what's called surface tension. It's sort of like having a stretchy skin over the top of the water, sort of like a balloon like this. So pretend that the balloon is water, and this surface here is like the surface tension of the water. And what happens when you introduce dish soap to the water, dish soap weakens that outer skin, that surface tension. And when the surface tension is weakened, what happens? It goes like that. So if you think of the balloon like water with its surface tension, and say that this pin here is like using dish liquid, we're going to weaken the surface of the water, and the surface tension is broken, and then everything moves away from the center. And that's what's happening in this experiment. The surface tension is interrupted. Well, thanks for joining me for this week's experiment. Again, it was called Pepper Repelling Finger, and it was featured in this book, Science is Magic by Steve Mould. You can find this book and a whole lot of other books just like it at your local library. Come in and browse, visit our website, or contact us about curbside service. We're here to help. Until next time, remember, you don't have to be a scientist to do science. All you have to be is curious. Take care.